Kurt, these are my songs. Morning is just an excuse to get high on sunshine. The birds and the bees are all singing for me, and the flowers feel fine. But next thing you know, the sky is aglow as the sun dips below the horizon line. Walking up Cherry Street, that is where you'll find me, with a key I tied up in a shoelace. A young man shuffles by, jet black shoes and a tie, checks his watch, holds tight to his briefcase. And the rain falls in sheets and pools under my feet. I look up at the sky, it is gray, and the hands of my clock wish the seconds would stop. Make this moment last for a day. Just your music machine. We could get all your noises for free, or you could toss in a coin and slip down to the point where you're stuck in the same sorry key. And you're just the ink from my pen. You've ripped through my notebooks again and again, and you'll leak through my fingers, get under my skin, crawl up my spine, and you'll make my head spin. Now I'm drunk on a bus and I don't plan on getting off soon. The streetlights are watching me catch up on thoughts about you. Sound okay?
Woohoo!
Dependency's getting the best of me lately. I can't take it lightly when friends tell me they are not home. Do I wait under torchlight and wish that my thoughts might send me something soothing to spit into the microphone? But I'm changing my key, I'm revamping my signature, hoping these notes can make something that I'll call my own. So don't answer my messages, don't call me back, 'cause I'm stuck in a rhythm that's lifting me to the unknown. And I found God on the bathroom walls with a guitar pick dipped in alcohol. I found myself swirling down the drain. I'll count to 6 before I go insane. I am watching and waiting and wishing and wanting to be something worthy of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. do make my voice sound like this, now you know. These songs take me back to those nights in the park, when I'd smoke on the bench and climb trees in the dark, yeah you know. My skeletal system is something impure, cause my skull's filled with poison that makes me unsure of the thoughts in my head. The words that I've said are the sad angry troll that lives under my bed, and my rib cage is cracking, my shoulder blades bend under weights that I'll carry from start point to end. And there's no letting go, there's no making amends with the words and the numbers that all call my friends. They go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I'll let the time go by, I'll say you were right. And I found God on the bathroom walls with a guitar pick dipped in alcohol, and I found myself swirling down the drain. Count to 6 before I go insane. I am watching and waiting and wishing and wanting to be something worthy of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dependency's getting the best of me lately. I can't take it lightly when friends tell me they are not home. Changing my key, I'm revamping my signature, hoping these notes can make something that I'll call my own. And you were right, yeah you were right, yeah you were right, right. Thank you.
Yes, goodness.
Thank you. How are we doing on time? Golden. Down the middle of the road in the middle of the night, trying to find the words to say what's on my mind. It's like there's so much I could say. I could ask about your day, but I just can't escape the feeling that it wouldn't matter anyway. I've got no reason to break this agreement that I instigated, but I don't believe in. I'm trying to stay positive. I really wish I had a cigarette. I don't really want to smoke it, but it'd be a great excuse to take a breath. It's like I spend all of my time painting pictures in my mind of a person who is confident enough to go outside. I might be agoraphobic, so just let me take a moment to express to you that I might take some time to feel at home here, that I'm trying to stay positive. And every morning to do this, I make a to-do list. It goes like this: get some sunshine, take a shower, read a book for at least an hour, write a poem, make your bed, make a list of all the reasons why you're happy you're not dead, and then pick up the phone, call someone you know, tell them that you love them and they'll never be alone. Try a new skill that you've never tried before, write a silly song while sitting naked on the floor, pet a dog, buy a frog, recite a Shakespeare monologue, remind yourself that pain and sadness only last so long. Give up all your envy, your resentment, and your apathy, and try to build a better me within this great catastrophe. Find something to give, find a better way to live. Make a list of all the things that make you feel more positive.
Woohoo!
So now I'm walking down the middle of the road in the middle of the night, and I'm glad to say there's nothing on my mind. I just look up at the stars and think of how I've come so far, and even though there is a ways to go, at least I know I started. Thanks.
Woohoo!
Solemn and silent, stare down at the snow-covered sidewalk. Inside, sing a song so somber it softens the sky. Sacrifice seconds to someone so special, she's shining. Sending out signals of static, you leave her behind. Ooh, I'm still breathing, there's ice in my lungs. My voice has been frozen by songs I have sung, and I can't control my fingers or toes. I've carved tiny holes in the shoes of my soul. I'm cold. Keep my head down in case you try to wave. I don't want to be seen here outside of my cave. Although I feel broken, I aim to seem brave, but my head flashes back to the memories we've made, and I'm cold. I'm cold.
Woohoo!
Want a break?
Nice.
Thanks, Ken.
Kurt, do you like this filmography right now?
You're killing it. Okay, quick one. Well, there's probably a reason for the miscommunication we've been feeling lately. Despite my recent efforts, I still find a simple phone call unappealing. Baby, my clothes are folded in the living room, and our household size was just decreased to 2. And I'm probably gonna leave soon too, and this big yellow house will be home just to you. Well, there's probably a reason why I spent my Monday locked up in a dorm room. Despite my recent efforts, I can't seem to shake the fact that I adore you. And I'm really gotta sleep tonight, but I'll leave my cat card buried in the grass outside. So if you're looking for a place to hide, room behind these walls I hide behind. I am on my way to the bottom of a cave where my thoughts can misbehave, miss the walls are tall and cold, and in the light they shine with gold. There are colonies of mold beneath my toes, beneath my eyes are growing red. I think of all the things I should have said. Now I'm staring at the light ahead. I'm gone, I am gone, I am gone. She's on her way to go make something of this rainy day. She's singing all her fears away. She's singing loud, the water's coming down, the trees are shifting in the ground, they reverberate the sound. Feeling free, she's feeling free, she's hearing echoes from her life before. She came in search of open doors, but now she's left with only metaphors. This is not a war. Now I know what's wrong with this. I can't get by with confidence. My common sense, my competence lies underneath my bed. I'll try my best not to complain, 'cause I've always kind of liked the rain. If singing really stops the pain, will you be my duet, be my duet? Sing with me, don't let endless tunnels. Save it for the morning after our days are bright. If we just sing louder. On my way to the bottom of a cave where my thoughts can misbehave, and I am gone. Polar ice caps started melting, falling ice and falling snow. The polar bears have started walking, watch them turn their heads and go. On the first page of a novel, author writes about his dad, how the dad that he was given is the best he's ever had. And at the bottom of a letter, ink stains melt into the page, and all this imagery is helpful, lets my brain out of its cage. And they say the grass is greener on the other side, the other side. And they say the grass is greener on the other side, the other side. Well, I was confused when they told me I had nothing to lose, because I knew something like that could not be true. And all the things I tell myself, advice I steal from my self-help books, was given me as something to pursue. So I fell in love with everything. I'd see the trees and start to sing, because the wind would blow and they would shake their leaves for me. So take the time to love yourself and send that love to someone else, and let your problems melt away beneath a shady tree. And they say the grass is greener on the other side, the other side. But I say let them have their grass, 'cause days like this are meant to last, and everything is greener when you're glad to be alive. Because the polar bears will find a home, and the author's book is put on hold, and the letter that I write for you fits in an envelope. And the mailman brings these words to you, and your smile makes him smile too. So smile as you read the words I write for you. Say, I love you. Can I play one more song? No? 100% now? No? All right, thank you so much.
Woo-hoo! That was powerful.
Thank you, thank you.
That was powerful.